Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership documents and any existing lock warranties, because that can affect choices. Once done, measure door thickness and backset, 2-3/8 or 2-3/4, so you buy a compatible lock. Make sure you have a screwdriver set, wood chisels, and a replacement lock ready. If electronic, get fresh batteries. You'll remove the interior screws first so the exterior knob falls away. Then pull the latch out and note strike plate alignment. These initial checks prevent surprises later. You insert the new latch into the edge of the door, making sure the beveled side faces the jamb so it catches correctly. Once the latch sits flush, feed the exterior knob or deadbolt through, align the tailpiece with the latch, then fit the interior assembly and start all screws by hand. Tighten them evenly to avoid misalignment. If they bind, loosen and reseat. After tightening, test key rotation and bolt movement several times. This confirms alignment before you finish. You complete the job by installing the strike plate on the jamb and confirming the bolt slides smoothly into the hole. If it doesn't, mark the contact point and chisel fit the recess slightly, move in 1/8 inch increments until smooth. For electronic locks, program at least 2 user codes and run 3 to 5 lock-unlock cycles to verify battery and motor performance. If the lock binds or sticks, double-check the backset measurement and that screws are snug but not over-torqued. That usually fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.